Updating your primary email on Wise is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and secure. Step 1. Login. Access your Wise account by visiting the Wise website or opening the app. Enter your login credentials to sign in. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the Menu or Profile section of your account. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Account Settings, look for the Email Preferences or Contact Information section. Click on it to proceed with updating your email. Step 4. Enter new email address. Input your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to avoid issues. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you may need to verify it by clicking on a confirmation link sent to the new address. Follow the instructions in the email to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Wise will be successfully updated. Always ensure your contact information is current to maintain account security.